welcome guys.
But I'm actually on my kneeling grind.
Today we're playing in Rivals. Come on guys, don't be scared.
All my friends, they call me Sigma, but I'm actually on my kneeling grind.
I got voicemail like tonight, Thomas. I would. Oh, I love this map.
Match starting.
Hello, Moto.
Round starting.
Hello, Moto.
Make me, bro! No, I can't. I'm making a video.
He's kinda low, Oh, damn it. Oh, damn. It's around time. Let's go. It's around time.
Round starting.
Like, why
17:38. Yeah. I'm like, hey, Mr. Puma, hit your pretty ass so that you came in the door. Got us. BAM! Got us extra. Oh.
Teammate, you got this. I hit him like kinda like I hit him like 43 or something. Teammate, he's like almost one tap.
Let's go! Good job.
Round starting.
Oh shit! I love this.
Round starting.
On me! Stop! Good job, good job, good job. Hey, good job. Yeah. Everything that I do takes one. Bro, you have to walk in, teammate. Teammates. Oh my god, gang! He was like that. Anybody's gonna talk? Or
Round starting.
Editors gonna post this video. Alright. Long break. See ya. Bye.